Once upon a time, there was a kind-hearted pigeon named Pearl, who lived near a beautiful forest. She was known by all the birds for her big heart and willingness to help others. One hot summer, the forest went through a terrible drought. The river dried up, and the small ponds disappeared. The little sparrows, parrots, and even the crows struggled to find water. Many birds grew weak, and some thought they might die. But Pearl couldn't bear to see her friends suffer. So she flew far and wide to look for water. After hours of searching under the burning sun, she finally found a small stream hidden deep in the valley. Without wasting time, she dipped her wings in the water and flew back to the thirsty birds, bringing them water drop by drop. The other birds were amazed by her selflessness, and soon they, too, joined her efforts. And together they managed to survive the hard days until the rains returned. From that day on, the birds in the forest respected Pearl as a true hero. They realized that real strength doesn't come from power or size, but from kindness and unity. And they all lived happily ever after.